Hi, today I'm part of Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here, if you want to turn on the don't disturb mode, we should click here on this swatcher. Also, we can see here the bottom sections. Just to change the media, alarm, ringtones, or notifications volume, you should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you want to change ringtone or from scene 1 or scene 2 or notification or alarm sounds, you should just click here and select one from these available sounds. Just to use DTS sound, you should click here on this section and switch from smart to music, video, game, or to use the equalizer if you want. If you want to change the haptic vibration level, just you should hold and swipe it to the left or to the right side. Also, you can turn it on or turn it off by click on the switcher. To increase in incoming ringtone, you should click on the switcher. Just to turn it on or turn it off, tap here once. And to use vibration for calls, we should click to this section and we can switch it here from never to always or vibrate first and ring gradually. And in advanced options, we can turn on and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, and touch sounds. Just to turn or turn off all of these options, we should click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.